One. You know what I found out? The people who changed from one industry to another, the people who actually started building cars, were people that were building anything else. It was people in the manufacturing industry that changed. So Opel, for example, was the world's leading manufacturer of sewing machines, and they changed to building cars. And David Buick, he was the guy that's responsible for inventing the way that we enamel old bathtubs. He started manufacturing cars. But it wasn't the horse breeders, it wasn't the carriage makers, it wasn't the cartwheel manufacturers. Those people, the people that were in the industry being disrupted, they were the last to know. They died. Just gone. So that is that's a critical lesson, I think, is we need to pay attention to the fact that so many things are changing around us. We don't want to be the last to know. We want to make sure that we're ears to the ground, paying attention to these changes in the industry and seeing if there's something going on that is going to affect us, that is going to take away the pillars of our business